Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. There is a all of animal are so nice. There is the first one is here. Look at this. This is a panda. See, this is so nice and beautiful panda here. So I collecting this one also at side here. There is the next one. Oh my god, this is a very nice and beautiful Tartarus. Look at this. This is so nice. I collecting this one also at side here. There is the next one. Oh my god, this is a buffalo. See, this is so nice and beautiful buffalo here. So I collecting this one also at side here. There is the another one. Oh my god, this is a giraffe. Look at this. This is so nice and beautiful giraffe here. So I collecting the giraffe also at side here. There is the another one. Oh, what is this, guys? This is so nice and beautiful mouse here. So collecting this mouse also at side here. There is another one. Oh, see, this is a horse. This is very nice and beautiful horse here. So I collecting this one also at this side here. There is another one. Oh, what is this? This is so nice and big size tiger. See, this is so nice tiger. So I collecting this angry tiger at side here. There is the next one. Oh, what is this? This is so nice and beautiful pig here. So I collecting this pretty pig also at side here. There is another one. Oh my god, this is a dragon. Look at this. This is horrible dragon here. So I collecting this one also at side here. There is another one. Oh my god, this is a dog. This is a very angry dog here. So I collecting this dog also at side here. There is the next one. Oh, this is a deer. Look at this. This is so nice and beautiful deer here. So I collecting this one here. There is the last one here. This is a kangaroo. Look at this. This is so nice and beautiful kangaroo. I collecting this one. And there is the last one is here. This is a camel. Look at this. This is so nice and beautiful camel here. So I collecting this camel also at side here. So guys, today ending my video here and see you soon with next time with many colorful of animal. Thank you so much.